LSI, was set up in the year 2006 at IIIT Hyderabad as a multidisciplinary research center to look at locational technologies, geospatial sciences, and also to look at fundamental ways of handling these stuffs in combination with computer science and its allied areas. We actually look at different topics at this place and has evolved into a key research center in India that looks at both the application areas across agriculture, forestry, urban sciences and stuff, and also at the same time looking at developing new spatial databases, spatio-temporal data mining algorithms, technology development for looking at algorithms that go in spatial understanding of the various data sets that we do collect and store and manage. Geospatial sciences and geospatial technologies have been actually a key area that is developing rapidly in the last 2 decades. We see that in the field of geospatial data generation, people have looked at satellite imageries to currently drone imagery and further on to LiDAR-based 3D models of real-world objects. Spatial objects have become of key interest in various applications from location-based services to many other applications. Research at IIIT Hyderabad is done both at the key development areas of spatial technologies, including areas where we are looking at how this data can be used in various applications. So some examples are an integrated system to monitor roads using mobiles, spatial databases, WebGIS to be able to visualize this outcome and stuff. Similarly, 4D visualization of flooding, which is a more real-time way of looking at the flooding as it happens, to be able to model and combine this kind of a modeling exercise along with simulation and modeling and visualization together, okay, which is called geovisualization. This kind of research and its related areas is kind of carried out at Lab for Spatial Informatics at IIIT Hyderabad.
I defended my thesis in the year 2013 under the guidance of Dr. Rajan. Over the years, I have realized the importance of my research experience. It tested my communication and comprehension skills, taught me valuable lessons to persevere, to be resilient and self-motivated. Dr. Rajan has been an ideal guide. He's extremely passionate, knowledgeable and liberal. His vast network of contacts has helped me to get real-world data sets and opportunity to work on an industry-funded project. Lastly, the atmosphere in LSI was ever cheerful and lively. Labmates were always willing to help and share.
Lab for Spatial Informatics is also involved into research of remote sensing environment. So typically, basically, we use hyperspectral remote sensing, thermal remote sensing, as well as optical and multispectral remote sensing. We also involve in the development of algorithms as well as the models with respect to different domains. We also do modeling part as a part of this lab. With respect to the domains, we work in forestry, wetlands, and urban studies. In terms of urban studies, we do land use landlord change analysis. We also work on the land use dynamics. We also work with the modeling for the scenarios, predicting the future scenarios, as well as we do prediction of the land surface temperatures using thermal remote sensing. We also work with the typical high resolution data sets as well as the coarse resolution data sets. And with respect to high resolution data sets, we use typically for the extraction of features like road as well as the building patterns. We are also involved with field data analysis, integrating with the remote sensing, working on tree diversity patterns, biodiversity patterns, species expansion models or the extinction models. And we also try to work on the different mathematical models integrating with the field studies.
I'm working in this lab for like 5-6 years now. I have understood that this lab has a unique potential to merge people from different backgrounds and to produce a unique potential, very high potential research outputs with higher quality. And people of LSI are extremely proactive in helping research students with their experiences, knowledge, and also philosophical guidance.
We deal with two major earth systems such as water and climate using hydroinformatics technologies. Our major research areas are about climate change impact assessment on water resources with a focus on extremes such as droughts. When we deal with such impact assessment studies, we use global and regional climate model outputs. We also deal with development of real-time water quantity, quality management models, which can be helpful for decision making and policy making using satellite-based observations field-based observations and modeling approaches, where we use IoT-based and GIS web-based environments.
The power of coding applied to real-world models fascinates me to explore it. So I joined LSI Lab to do such research. I've been part of LSI Lab from the last 3 years. Also, I use climatic dataset to understand the impact on water resources. My works also includes integration of ML techniques for analysis and characterization of climatic and hydrological phenomena. As a team, we are working on innovative and challenging projects.